Hey everyone, welcome back to Fortunes Forward. If you've been following our videos, you already know the real secret to financial freedom is mastering yourself, building an automated money system, and investing smartly even if you're lazy. But here's the problem. What if your paycheck still feels too small? Today I'm giving you 5 smart, realistic ways to make extra money so you can save and invest more without working 80 hours a week. If that sounds good, hit that like button and let's get into it. First, let's get one thing clear. Most people think they're stuck with one paycheck, but almost every wealthy person you know has multiple income streams. This isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about adding a second or third trickle of money that keeps growing. And here's the good news. You don't need to quit your job, start a company, or work all night. You can do this with just a few extra hours a week if you pick something simple and stick with it.
Let's break down 5 ideas that actually work, especially if you're in the US or Europe right now.
Freelance something you already know. Start with what you're good at. Writing, design, tutoring, translating, social media, there's always someone who'll pay you for your skills. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be one step ahead of your client. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or local Facebook groups make it super easy to find your first gig. Teach what you know. Turn your knowledge into a simple online course, coaching call, or tutoring. If you know English, you can teach it. Good at math? Same. Don't overthink it, make it easy. A 30-minute paid Zoom lesson for $20, $50 adds up fast. Create a small digital product. Digital products are amazing because you make it once and sell it forever. Think printables, templates, ebooks, or even a simple Notion dashboard. You can list them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site, and they sell while you sleep. Semi-passive, try content. Maybe you've always wanted to share what you know. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok. You won't get rich overnight, but ads and affiliate links can become a real income stream in a year or two. Grow your money with dividends. This one takes a bit more upfront cash, but it's the easiest to maintain. Once you have your savings and system running, buy dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Those pay you cash just for owning them. It's truly passive income that can cover bills in the long run.
Here's the key. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't need all 5 ideas. You just need one to start. Pick the one that feels easiest for you. Write it down right now. I will try Page this month. Set aside an hour this weekend. Take the first step. That could be setting up a profile on Upwork, sketching out your first printable, or opening a brokerage account for dividend stocks. Small steps, taken consistently, will add up to big results. Just like we talked about in our other videos, consistency beats intensity every time. Making an extra $100 a month doesn't sound huge, but over a year, that's $1,200 you can save or invest. Over 10 years, that's $12,000 plus what it earns for you. And once you get momentum, you can scale it, raise your prices, create more products, invest more. That's how real freedom starts. So remember, you don't have to be stuck with one paycheck forever. More income streams mean more money to save, invest, and grow, all on autopilot. Tell me below in the comments, which income idea are you going to try first? Freelance? Digital product? Dividends? I want to know. And if you got value from this, please tap subscribe and hit that bell, because in our next video, I'm showing you how to protect and grow your money no matter what happens to the economy. Thanks for being here. Now go take your first step, and I'll see you in the next one.